Hey guys! Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm with my friend Lauren again.
Hi.
Also known as Cutefads. And make sure to check out her channel because we're going to be doing a ton of collabs together. And her channel is just amazing. So definitely check it out. And in today's video, we're going to be hunting for squishies at different places and we're going to be doing a vlog. So without further ado, let's just get on with the video. So now we're at Walgreens and we're going to be going in and looking at the squishies now. Oh, here's the squishies.
Ooh, there's a soccer ball. What's that?
Whoa, there's so many.
Oh, this isn't enough. This isn't enough.
I wonder if there's any more. Whoa, oh my gosh.
Whoa,
this one
really
like
soft.
died. Someone like ripped the thing off. This one's like saran wrapped. Ice cream.
Where's all the good ones?
There's like all of these sports ones. But you can't really squish it because there's like this plastic around it.
Yeah.
I wonder how much they are. Oh, this one's squishy. Yeah, I saw that one. Squishy. I wonder if there's any more.
I know, right? Oh, this one's slow rising.
Whoa, the football. It's really squishy.
Oh, this is a stress ball.
Let's see. Ooh. Oh. Wow.
Beautiful.
We did find one floam. Actually, two floams. It's like this blue and red one and a white one. And a ton of glue. I don't think there's any more squishies.
Sad.
There is glitter though. We found some squishimals over here. I think this is the medium one.
Yeah.
There's only like 3 of them, but It was like watermelon, just like the other ones. But this bunny's so cute.
I have that one and that one.
Oh. So we didn't really find any squishies that we really liked at Walgreens, but now we're gonna be heading to Michael's. So now we are at Michael's. So here are all the squishies.
Oh my god, and they're cheaper. This is a My Little Pony.
Oh
Squishy,
yeah.
and it's pretty dense and not that slow rising.
Yeah.
But
So there's the My Little Pony, and then there's the Squish Me Hello Sanrio one, and the Gudetama Squish Me. So there's like a couple of designs. Yeah, there's a lot of Gudetamas and a couple of designs. And a pretty good amount of the Sanrio ones. Look at or wait, it's always coming. Look, it's the chocolate. So I can show you all of the squishies that we found.
this one is like my favorite, I think. It's the chocolate.
So here's Tuxedo Sam.
And that's fine.
And then one of the Gudetamas. This one is really dense.
Yeah, that was nice. Hello Kitty, which is really slow rising.
And then this other design. This is My Melody. There's only one more left of this. Okay, so here are the other squishies that they've had for a while now. These aren't really that squishy at all. And yeah. They're more like a stress toy than a squishy. Oh, this one feels good, except for this part. And then there's, oh, that cake is really cute.
Yeah.
Oh, there's the little Sumika Garashi
And
animals.
like a seal.
Oh, that seal's really cute.
Yeah.
Oh, here's another Sumika Garashi character.
What?
Let's
We had a
what
deco squishy actually.
Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah, this is how it's supposed to be.
Oh, yeah.
With the
And then a capybara-san. Oh, another one. And this. Oh, there's also like putty. And
super great colors.
oh, there's also the Flart putty over here. And the like clear glitter putty. Oh, that one's really soft.
Yes, this one is really soft.
And then there's also these like sports stress squishies. These are really squishy.
The iconic crush balls. Oh, and this.
The deck. There's so many of these, and I think they're only $1. So here are some of the soft and slow squishies. There aren't too many, but these are really cute. Is this oh, it's like a cup.
It's a brownie.
Ooh, that one's pretty slow.
This one's really slow.
Whoa, that is. So here's like the slime area, the clear glue, the regular glue, some other glues, containers, and some other glue. And over here, I think they have like Model Magic. Oh, here's the puppy paint. There's like so many. Whoa. There's like a ton of scents over here. And there's even more over there.
And then these are scents over here too.
There it is! Here's the oh my god!
Satisfactoriness of this.
Maybe we can make a video of the floral foam.
How much is this?
Oh, sure. Oh, I think it's $4.99.
Oh, it's pretty cheap.
Feel like oh, so there's like the dry floral foam.
These ones seem kind of stiff.
There's like so much more.
Much softer.
There's the wet ones. Whoa, is that like super? Oh my gosh! I wish you could get this. That'd be so cool.
Just get it. We're gonna get this. It's like perfect as of right now.
More glue over here. And now where is the squishies? Look how cute these like smush or mushmallows. They're so soft. They're so cute. Whoa!
So big.
There's more soft and slow.
This is hard.
Oh, that one looks rock hard.
Oh my gosh, this is so
these are
cute.
just as soft as the big one. So this is the series 1.
Oh, this is the rare s'mores.
Oh, it is? You can feel
it's
it?
definitely the s'mores.
I did not see these. Yeah, they're right here. Oh. Looks like they're all like pretty much sold out.
And someone that stole the sticker.
Oh! A hamburger.
Oh, the burger's pretty cute and squishy.
Oh, and there's also like these. So now we are at Staples and seeing if they have any squishies here because we've heard that they have squishies.
Yeah.
At the front. They have it! Oh my gosh. They have like kind of a lot. Oh, they have the oh my gosh, they have that like they have the
why do you have
mochi
so
ones.
many? Oh, I like it where it's in this packaging, this sticker.
There's so many. They have like this little narwhal.
This burger. These are squishy.
Whoa.
And this pizza.
That one's so cute.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, that's so cute.
Kind of thing. I don't want to dent the packaging, but
Oh my gosh.
cute.
It's so
and then
cute.
there's other mochi. Oh, it's a bunny.
Oh my gosh, that's
It is
adorable.
so cute.
Oh, there's the soft and slow mint chip ice cream. Oh, there's also some more, like pies.
Oh, there's a squishy sticker.
Oh my gosh, that one's so cute. The french fries. So now we're at the mall, like about to go to Claire's, and we saw this like squishy like machine thing, like kind of like a claw machine. But there's so many. Okay, so now we're at Claire's. Oh my gosh, they have so many. Oh my gosh, they have the pancakes. Well, they have the pancakes. Here are all of the Hello Kitty Sanrio ones. So So here's the Hello Kitty pancake, the My Melody, the pizza, the donut, and the taco. So here's the Hello Kitty burger. The other design of the donut. This one's really soft. So they do have some squeezamables here, I think. Get the pig. This one's really squishy. And they also have a ton of Pasheen plushies, which is so cute. They're so cute. Oh, they have this one also. Didn't see that. Oh, these cases are so cute. It has like a little mochi squishy on it. There's also this. Whoa! They're so cute. They also have like the Squish Delish ones, the Blondikes, and the Peel to Reveal. They have so many. Okay, so we finished shopping and going like squishy hunting. So now we're gonna be doing the haul that we got from Michael's. The first thing that I got was this Gudetama squishy. And the packaging's really cute and it has all the designs on the back. And I think it's licensed by Sanrio. I'm not sure. Or Squish Me. I'm so confused. I don't even know. But yeah.
I also got the same thing. It's also really squishy. But I also got this Cutefads. And this one is licensed by Sanrio. It's really, really cute. Squishy. There are people staring at us because we're in Costco right now.
Yeah.
But the lighting is pretty good.
Yeah, it's actually pretty good. So the next things that we got from Michael's were these model magic clay things. So we got 2 of the black ones.
And we also got white model magic, and yes, we tore off some right now. We're using it as a tripod.
Yeah, because we didn't have any.
Yeah, and then we also got another white one. The last thing that we got, yes, we do realize the angle changed. That's because this was the thing that was holding up the camera.
And now we're using the model magic to hold our camera up.
Got
this huge floral foam, and it's the wet foam for like ASMR and stuff. And if you want to see us like crush this and do ASMR, then stay tuned and check out Lauren's channel because we're doing a collab and she's going to be posting the video on her channel. So make sure to go check that out and definitely check out her channel, which is Cutefads, and the link will be in the description box as usual. So thank you guys so much for watching, and we had so much fun hunting for squishies and like getting a ton of stuff at Michael's. So thanks for watching. Bye!